Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to discuss about the vocabulary words for the topics clothes and fashion for eyes. So first of all, let's start with the word clothes. What else you can say for clothes? You can say attire, you can say apparel, costume, dress, vestment, outfits and garments. Suppose the topic is about clothes, you need not to use this word clothes again and again. So you can use any word out of these words. Next we can talk about the pattern. You can be asked what types of pattern do you like on your clothes. You can say I like striped clothes, I like plain clothes more, or check, or I usually prefer to wear clothes with floral print on which flowers are there, and tie-dyed patterns I like the most. In this way you can talk about the different patterns you like. Then next is material. You can also mention the material. So what types of materials are there? You can talk about silk, you can talk about wool, woolen clothes, leather clothes, denim and cotton. So these are the most common types of clothes. Next, the categories. You can say casual. You should must understand what is casual. Casual, the clothes which we wear every day. Then there are designer or trendy clothes. You can use these terms. Then formal clothes are there which usually we wear at our workplaces. Business wear. Then sports wear are those clothes which we wear while playing the different sports, like hoodie, sweatshirts, etc. Next are hand-me-downs. So what does it mean? It means these clothes are passed on from others to some other persons. For example, if you are made to wear those clothes which were worn by your elder sibling, so you can say hands-me-down, passed on from others. Timeless clothes are those clothes which are always in trend. People all the time like these clothes. These clothes do not go out of the fashion. Next are vintage clothes, clothes from past time, from older time. Now let's talk about the phrases. First one is dressed to kill. When you are wearing nice clothes for an occasion. For example, my sister was dressed to kill on her marriage. Next is dolled up, meaning is dressed nicely. Example, I was all dolled up in that pink dress. Next is fits like a glove. It means fit perfectly. My friend's dress fits me like a glove. Next is to have an eye for fashion. It means you have a good sense of fashion. For example, although my mother is illiterate, she has an eye for fashion. Next you can say old-fashioned, meaning is having no sense of fashion. Example, it is believed that an old-fashioned person could be narrow-minded too. Next are the vocabulary words which are adjectives. If you are talking about a particular clothes, you can say it is loose fitting. It is elegant. Elegant means it is graceful. You look smart in that. Then you can say this dress is really sophisticated. Sophisticated means fine, nice, refined. Clingy means it is stick to, or you can say stick by. Next is oversized, means something is ill-fitted. Then you can say waterproof. You can talk about this quality as well. Then you can say revealing. Revealing means it exposes some of the body parts. Then flammable. Flammable means it catches fire easily. Then you can say this dress is really comfortable. Or you can say contemporary. Contemporary means it relates to present times. Then pragmatic means it has some practical use. Then embroidered means it is well decorated. Then sensational, you can say meaning is wonderful or fantastic. Then you can say I usually love to buy imported dresses, means which are from foreign countries. And then you can say I prefer to buy lightweight dresses, means which are having no weight, almost no weight. Then there are some other words. You can say fashionable to a person. What are the synonyms? You can say stylish, trendy, modish, tidy, posh, classy, glamorous, cool, and voguish. Next word is vogue. Vogue meaning is something in fashion. It's the synonym of fashion. And when you are talking about clothes, you could also use these words: boutique, from where we get our clothes stitched. Then you can say fabric. Norm means it has become trend, it has become a normal thing. Then customized means your dress is prepared on a special order. You have some special requirement, accordingly your dress is designed, that is called customized dress. Then you can also talk about designer world, means I love to buy designer dresses. Then you can say bargaining. I always do bargaining while buying the dresses. Then you can say this dress was really overpriced, means its price was quite high. Then you can say this was really incomparable. Incomparable, we can't compare it to any other dress. It was really unique. Then you can talk about designers. You can say he is the top-notch designer of our city, or high-end designer. These are the effective vocabulary words for the topic clothes and fashion, which you can use in your IELTS speaking as well as in your writing. So I hope this video will help you to improve your answers related to these questions. Thank you for watching.